When I grow up. What do I want to be when I grow up? When I grow up, I want to be a firefighter and put out big fires. When I grow up, I want to be a nurse and make sick people feel better. When I grow up, I want to be a musician and play in a band. When I grow up, I want to be a mechanic and fix cars and tractors. When I grow up, I want to be a teacher and teach children to read and write.
Yes!
When I grow up, I want to be a soccer player and score the winning goal.
Yes!
When I grow up, I want to be a dancer and dance on stage. When I grow up, I want to be an astronaut and fly to the moon. When I grow up, I want to be a chef and make food for my family and friends. When I grow up, I can choose whatever I want to be. What do you want to be when you grow up?